Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 5th of July 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 rose 0.1% to 7,315 points today. The index may not have moved much during the day, but there was plenty of action among corporates and in the economics world. The best performer, by far, was Sydney Airport, up 34%. After a consortium of infrastructure investors made a $22 billion bid for the asset. The Sydney Airport board told investors to reject the offer. While the $8.25 a share offer is more than 40% higher than the group's closing price last Friday, it's still well below the airport's pre-pandemic trading price of close to $9 a share. The deal helped infrastructure stocks across the board today, with toll road group Transurban up 1.5%, Qantas jumped 2.7%. Energy stocks did well after OPEC failed to reach agreement over the weekend on production quotas. Woodside Petroleum was up nearly 3% and Santos was 2% higher. Both companies have failed to rise along with higher oil prices in recent weeks, so today was good news for them. Gold miners also did well alongside a higher price of the precious metal, with Newcrest Mining up 1.2%. Chalice Mining ended up 12%. Not quite sure what's going on there. Tabcorp has decided to demerge its lotteries and Keno business, rejecting takeover offers for its wagering and gaming enterprises. Chair Stephen Gregg said the lotteries and Keno business would provide investors with infrastructure-like qualities, and the wagering and gaming business had national scale and reach. Tabcorp's share price closed down 4.4%. Gaming giant Crown Resorts said it expected a statutory loss for the 2021 financial year as a result of lockdowns and the pandemic. And the 2022 profit would also be hit, though it didn't provide much guidance. Its share price fell 1.7%. Infant formula maker A2 Milk said the New Zealand government had approved its acquisition of a 75% interest in dairy Mataura Valley Milk. Its share price jumped more than 3% today. And Qube said it would write down up to $215 million on a loss-making import-export rail terminal at its Moorebank Freight Hub. Its share price fell 0.6%. It was a busy day for the economists out there. The number of job advertisements rose for the 13th consecutive month during June and are consistent with an unemployment rate of around 5%, according to ANZ. There were more than 210,000 job ads over the month, up 40% from early 2020 levels. Retail sales in Australia during June were revised upwards, increasing 0.4% during the month and were 7.7% higher than a year ago. The monthly result was affected by the lockdown in Victoria. And the number of dwelling approvals fell 7.1% in May, following a near 6% drop in April. The numbers came off record highs thanks to the home builder subsidy, which ended in March, which brought forward approvals. The Aussie dollar is trading at 75.2 US cents. And that's about it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 5th of July. Join me tomorrow morning for the Tuesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.